everyone. Welcome again to this lesson where we'll be solving this Surdic equation before us. Okay, so we have the square root of x plus 28, then plus 2. Everything is equal to x, and our target is to find the value of x. So to do this, the best thing to do is to move these 2 to the right hand side. When you do that, you have square root of x plus 28 is equal to x. The plus 2 coming to the right hand side, it turns to what? Minus 2. Okay, now the next thing to do is to square both sides, because once we square both sides, we'll be able to eliminate the square root at the left hand side. So we shall square both sides. We are squaring both sides now. When you do that, the square cancels the square root, leaving us behind with x plus 28 equal to x minus 2 into x minus 2 because of the square. The square means you are multiplying it by itself. So we are having x plus 28. Everything is equal to x times x is x squared. X times minus 2 is minus 2x. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. So from here we are having x plus 28 equals x squared minus 2x. Minus 2x will give us minus 4x, then plus 4. Now let us collect like terms. Do you know I am free to write the right hand side first? I can write x squared minus 4x plus 4 then equal to x plus what? 28. I can write this. Then let us collect like terms now. We have x squared minus 4x. The x here will come to the left hand side. It turns to minus x plus 4. The 28 comes, it turns to minus 28. Everything is equal to 0. So we now have x squared minus 4x minus x is minus 5x. 4 minus 28 is minus 24. Everything is equal to 0. Okay? Now you ask yourself, what are the two numbers you will times to get minus 24? And when you add it, you will get minus 5. Of course, the number should be minus 8 and plus 3, because minus 8 times 3 is minus 24, and minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. So we have x minus 8, x plus what? 3. Everything is equal to 0. From the zero property law, if you have two terms multiplying each other, it means that either one of them is 0 or both of them are 0. So you are free to write that either x minus 8 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 8, or x plus 3 is equal to 0, so x is equal to negative 3. These are the values of x. But remember the original equation. Look at what we have. Can we check for extraneous solution? Are there? You know, sometimes you can have a solution but it doesn't satisfy the equation. Let's see. The first solution is 8. If you put 8 here for x, it becomes 8 plus 28, which is 36, and square root of 36 is what? 6. 6 plus 2 will give us 8, so 8 is okay. Even if you put minus 3, it will still be okay. So the two solutions satisfies it. You know, we have square root of x plus 28 plus 2 equal to x. So if I put x as minus 3 here, you will have square root of minus 3 plus 28 plus 2 equal to put x also as minus 3. So minus 3 plus 28 is 25 plus 2 equal to minus 3. So this is 5 plus 2. Can this be equal to minus 3? 5 plus 2 will give us 7, right? 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 is not equal to minus 3. So let's see. No. Meaning that the minus 3 is an extraneous solution. So we are not taking the minus 3. The only true solution is when x is equal to 8. Bye.